Karbi China just go back, go back. Go back, go back. Karbi go back, go back. Karbi go back, go back, go back. Karbi go.
Kardom and good morning everyone. Today I would like to say a few words about the recent incident happened at Chini, Karbi Anglong. As we all have witnessed, many people are trying to give this angle, a religious angle, and while some other are trying to portray it as a Hindu versus Karbi or Karbi versus non-tribals. But the truth is very clear. Here we, the indigenous people of this land, are fighting for our rights and our lands. As we all have heard about the PGR and VGR land in that area. Actually, that PGR, VGR land is meant for animals, not for human settlement. Then how can the non-tribal, the non-indigenous people settled in that PGR and VGR land? Even we, the indigenous people, the tribals, don't dare to settle in that land. Then how can the non-tribal settle in that area? The non-tribal, the non-indigenous, the illegal immigrants can occupy that land, and that too under the 6th schedule area, that is which is a protected land. We can say that it is a complete failure of the Assam government. Because of this, we the common people are forced to raise our voices and fight for our rights. It is extremely unfortunate that every time we try to protect our lands and our rights, we have to shed our bloods and even lose life. I pay my deep respect to late Imanus, who made supreme sacrifice for our lands and our people. And again, I would also like to strongly criticize the present ruling government. The present ruling government had done nothing to stop the hatred and violence against the tribal communities. In a recent incident also, we have witnessed some non-tribal protesters. They call us Chini, calling the indigenous people Chini, shouting, "Karbi Chinese go back to China." This is deeply insulting and racist. How can the government and the law and order allow them to use such kind of discriminatory words against the indigenous people? We have seen this kind of discriminatory words mainly in mainland India. But today, we have seen, we have heard, we have faced it in our own homeland also. Today, they call Chinese for the Karbi. Tomorrow, they may call for the whole northeastern people as Chinese. Such words are deeply insulting and racist. How can the government and the law and order allow them to be used openly? It is questionable. Not only this, again recently we have heard a news. A tribal boy from Tripura has been attacked and killed in Chandigarh because of his protest against such racial remarks. Racial discrimination is not new things for northeastern people. We have been facing it since time immemorial. But we mostly face it in the mainland areas, but today we are facing it in our homeland also. So today they call the Karbi as Chinese. Tomorrow they may call you. So this is not only for Karbi. This is for the whole northeastern people. All I want to say is that the present government don't know how to protect the indigenous people, the tribal peoples and the minorities. It seems like they know only how to create the problems. They don't know how to resolve the issue. So recently we have witnessed the attacks on the churches. During this Christmas, we have seen attacks on the churches, destroying the decorations, and many things are happening. But see the double standard. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he was enjoying at the church, attending the Christmas celebrations. On the other side, the goons, the politicians, some of the politicians, they are attacking churches. They are destroying the decorations. They are suppressing the minorities. So we have seen many things. Lots of things are happening nowadays. This is because of the complete negligence of the present ruling government. They don't know how to protect them. They only know how to suppress them. How to suppress the minorities. But I can assure you that the Prime Minister is not going to mention about all this incident in his speech, because this is not new things for us. We have seen in the recent incidents, communal clashes, violence at Manipur. Many houses were burned. Many people were displaced. But he did not utter even a single words about Manipur incidents. So the same things he is going to do. He's going to use the same tactics. Even the many churches were destroyed, many churches were attacked. He is going to stay mum. I can say that. He is not going to mention it in he is not going to mention in his speech even a single words about all this. The main point is that the present ruling government knows how to fool the people, how to suppress, how to harass instead of protecting them. This is the main point we must remember. So I sincerely hope that all the tribal people have learned some important lesson from the recent incident happened at Kironi. I request all the tribal people to stand united for our rights, identity and dignity. That's all. Thank you.